What's up, guys? We have mozzarella cheese, fruit punch, and pepper, and speakers. So, and we have chicken, potatoes, and pepper. So let's get started. Let's eat. Does it taste good? Mozzarella tastes so good. Oh my gosh. Of course, we have mozzarella sticks at school. Oh man, I can't even dip once. Look at all it. I'm not. Wow, mozzarella is really stretchy. Stretchier than cheese. Cheddar cheese. Oh man, that's all I have. My cheese. Are you serious, Crystal? Sorry. Just have to wrap it around. It will be easier if we have forks, so I could get that. We don't have forks because it's washing in the kitchen thing. Didn't we have these before when Renee cooked for us? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Dipping it in pepper. I'm gonna share my food. We should eat mozzarella more often. It's just so good. Now I know why mukbangers have mozzarella all the time. Wait, stop. You have to see food, so. And by the way, this is mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Gosh. Okay, so stop. We post. We post almost every day, right? Mm-hmm. mozzarella, stretchy cheese.
Chris, who ate that cheese? Who put that cheese on?
Me?
Put it back in the refrigerator before you get it right.
Stop. I didn't do anything. You know? There. Oh man. Finally, she's going upstairs. Those are nails. You gotta now stop. Good for you. Just rip off already. There. The stretchy cheese. I'm gonna dip it in pepper. Because you didn't even take, I'm taking like all of the mozzarella in it. Ew, hair. We choked the girl's hair. My dad's sisters. They're both here, and we can't even have our rooms. We have to sleep paramount.
That's
Yep.
great.
And we're gonna sleep in our fort, and we're gonna show you the fort in the next video. Wait, so we have to end it here, so.
It's just gonna be cinematic video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Wait. Bye.
Bye.